Hello friends, welcome to AutoWorld's channel. Today we'll see about Tritone roots horn. Okay, so we'll see the detailed explanation about this horn. It's a Tritone horn M2 24 volt 19 in 1. So the cost of this is 1560 rupees and it's a 24 volt horn. So it's one of the most famous horn in the roots.
Okay, let's see what's inside this box.
So this is a horn. So all the three different pipes have different dimension. This looks pretty cool. It has a solenoid valve. So it has a solenoid valve, 324 volt DS. And it has a hose kit. And it has a melody maker. I think this is 19 in 1 melody maker. Okay, one more solenoid valve. And hose, I think again one more solenoid. It has 3 solenoid valves for 3 different pipes, and it has a melody maker, 19 in 1 melody maker, and it has a hose kit. The complete connection of this horn, I'll post it in the next video.